Let's talk a little about the financial services market now. Are you seeing a recovery in activity in that? Are you seeing strength in the stock market? Are you seeing the strong flow of IPOs continuing?
We have the largest IPO in terms of the value of capital raised worldwide. We expect to see strong demand for listing in Hong Kong, mainly coming from China and as well as some other parts of the world. With the liquidity that we are now seeing and strong economic growth prospect in Asia, I do see the market to be a good one for us.
And are you seeing a development in renminbi denominated assets and investment vehicles in Hong Kong?
It's an area that we are really pushing for the growth. Now it's a beginning. It's a beginning of the policy by the Chinese government to allow RMB to be used in Hong Kong for trade settlement. What we're hoping is to develop a market for investment products, but it will take some time. It will take some time because we need to have more RMB to be accumulated in Hong Kong, and we also need to sort out the various technical conditions, technical requirements, so that this kind of products can be traded in Hong Kong.
And presumably for this to happen, you're going to need the RMB itself to be a freely traded currency. What sort of time frame might you put on that?
Not necessarily. I think under the current pilot scheme, which allows RMB to be used in trade settlement in Hong Kong, as well as the existing policy of allowing Hong Kong residents to accumulate RMB, now we will have some pool of RMBs in Hong Kong. That will make Hong Kong's in a good position to be an offshore center of creating RMB investment.
China is liberalizing its own financial sector very slowly but very purposefully. How do you see that changing Hong Kong's position as a financial center, and particularly what are you going to be doing to keep Hong Kong competitive with Shanghai?
We think that the financial service growth in Shanghai and in China will help Hong Kong grow. We think that domestic finance is a precondition for economic growth in China, and having that, you will create a condition in which the companies in China want to see more international capital, want to go outside for international capital market, and Hong Kong will be the perfect window for them.